If you're about to make a trip or book a trip on booking.com and you're curious about what are the latest reviews by a particular place, then I'm going to show you how to quickly find that. So I'm going to quickly use, let's say, history here by simple say I want to go to Ibiza. It's just like a recent search. And let's say you're scrolling through and you find a hotel that you want to check, right? So let's just find this hotel, Moon Dream Hotel here, right? It says hotel adults recommended. So you can click on it on the hotel, for example, and once you click on it, it's going to take you over to the hotel page. You can check pictures and all those good stuff, right? And it shows you towards the right hand side, it shows reviews and it says, oh, it's 8.6. But if you want to check those latest reviews for yourself, look towards the top. You have overview and rules and so forth. You have the guest reviews right here. Click on this section. It's going to open up all of the reviews here for you guys, and you want to ensure that you sort this to the latest one. So as you can see, this say July 9th, but if you want the most recent, you can just switch this from most relevant to the newest first. So once you click on that, it's going to show you the latest one. So as you can see, this one is like 2 days ago, and you can find the latest reviews. If you want to find the latest reviews for any hotel, this is how you can quickly find them, and you'll be able to give the review. You can be able to see reviews for those as well. So you can find all the details here. And that's all there is to it, guys. Very easy and very simple.